and dear parents, very good morning to all of you. As we know that year 2020 is surely the worst we have ever seen. It's been a tough year, but we learned a lot about ourselves, praying for everyone's well-being. The year 2020 will go down in annals of history as one among the most unique year in the modern human history. The year is not ended and we have already gone through COVID-19 pandemics, storms, forest fires, blasts and many more things. So as we enter in 2020, let's see the important events that lie down in India and all over the world. Over to Hiral.
Now children, moving further with the month of January, the COVID-19 pandemic was confirmed to spread in all over the India on the 30th January 2020. The first case of COVID-19 was reported in Kerala in India. February 24-25, the US President Donald Trump was visited to India for a 2-day state visit address, a Namaste Welcome Trump event with our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi in Ahmedabad. Now on March 22nd, Janata Curfew, India observed 14 hours lockdown to prevent the spread of COVID-19 pandemic. March 24th, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced a 21-day lockdown starting from the midnight of the March 24. Now over to Hiteshri Madam.
Now I will tell you about the month of April. So children, as you all know, on April 12, India remained under an extended lockdown throughout the month of April to check the spread of COVID-19 pandemic in the country. Now over to Akriti ma'am.
I will tell you about the month of May. On May 6, 2020, the wanted terrorist Riaz Neko, who was the part of terror group Hizbul Mujahideen, was killed by the Indian security force in the gun battle. On May 8, 2020, 7 to 13 people were killed due to the leakage of gas in a chemical plant at the Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. On May 9, 2020, the cyclone Amphan hit the eastern part of India and lead to flood-like situation in many southeastern states of India. So now over to Ms. Dipali ma'am.
Events of June. Children, as we all know, on 14 June 2020, Bollywood star Sushant Singh Rajput found a death at his Bandra residence in Mumbai. He was only 34 years old. He was a prominent Bollywood star. He secured a lead role in blockbuster hits film including Chichore, Kaipoche, MS Dhoni. Children, it was a big decision. On 29 June, Indian government bans 59 Chinese apps including TikTok, Yushi Browser, Share.it, Camscanner due to ongoing Sino-Indian border tension. Over to Bhavika ma'am.
Children, I am going to tell you about events of July. On July 3, 8 policemen of Uttar Pradesh Police are martyred in an encounter with the gang of wanted criminal Vikas Dubey. On July 10, wanted criminal Vikas Dubey encountered. On July 17, number of confirmed cases of COVID-19 reached 1 million. On July 21, ongoing floods in Brahmaputra River in state of Assam. On July 29, National Education Policy 2020, a new policy of education, is approved in India by Union Cabinet. Over to Shashi Madam.
On August 5, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi performed Bhumi Pujan and laid the foundation stone of Ram Mandir at Ayodhya, UP. the construction of the temple shall begin. Now, over to Sunita Madam.
Now, event of November. On 3rd November, there was a 59th presidential election held in USA. Joe Biden won the election by defeating Donald Trump. Now, event of December. On 10th December, new foundation stone for Parliament building laid by PM Modi. The new Parliament building, the symbol of became a new and reliant India.